Feeling the freelance financial juggle? Constantly chasing invoices, navigating complex payment portals, and wishing for a simpler way to get paid for your amazing work? If you're nodding along, then you've landed on the right video. Today, we're diving deep into a payment platform that many associate with splitting dinner bills among friends, but which holds immense, often untapped, potential for freelancers: Venmo. Now, you might be thinking, Venmo? For professional payments? Isn't that just for sending $20 to your buddy for pizza? And you're not wrong to think that. Venmo started as, and largely remains, a peer-to-peer payment system. But over the years, it has quietly evolved, adding features and functionalities that make it a surprisingly viable, and often incredibly convenient, tool for independent contractors, solopreneurs, and anyone navigating the exciting, sometimes chaotic, world of freelancing. This isn't just about sending small amounts, it's about understanding how to leverage Venmo's unique ecosystem to streamline your payment process, attract a wider range of clients, and ultimately, get paid faster and more efficiently for your valuable services. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to break down everything you need to know about using Venmo as a freelancer. We'll start with the basics, ensuring you have a solid foundation, and then move into more advanced strategies. We'll cover setting up your account for business, understanding the fee structure, best practices for invoicing and receiving payments, and even delve into the crucial aspects of tax implications and security. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to confidently integrate Venmo into your freelance toolkit, potentially opening up new avenues for client acquisition and simplifying your financial workflow. Let's begin with the absolute fundamentals. Setting up your Venmo account for freelance success. The first step, if you don't already have one, is to download the Venmo app and create an account. This is straightforward, requiring basic information like your name, email, and phone number. However, the crucial distinction for freelancers lies in understanding the difference between a personal account and a business profile. While you can technically receive payments on a personal account, it's not recommended for professional transactions. Why? Because personal accounts are primarily for non-commercial use. Using them for regular business transactions can lead to issues with Venmo's terms of service, potential account freezes, and a lack of proper tracking for tax purposes. This is where a business profile comes in. Venmo introduced business profiles specifically to cater to merchants, freelancers, and small businesses. Creating a business profile adds a layer of legitimacy and provides you with features designed for commercial activity. It typically involves verifying your business information, which might include your employer identification number, EIN, if you have one, or your social security number, SSN, if you're a sole proprietor. To switch to or create a business profile, open the Venmo app, go to Me, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines or a gear, and look for Create a Business Profile or Switch to a Business Profile. Follow the prompts, providing the necessary details. This step is vital for compliance and ensures you have access to crucial business features. Understanding Venmo's fee structure for business profiles. Here's where many freelancers hesitate. Yes, Venmo charges fees for business transactions. However, understanding these fees is key to determining if Venmo is a cost-effective solution for your services. For business profile payments, Venmo typically charges a percentage of the transaction amount. As of my last update, this is usually 1.9% plus 10 cents per transaction. This fee is automatically deducted from the payment you receive. So, if a client pays you $100, you will receive $98. It's important to compare this fee to other payment processing platforms. Stripe, PayPal, and Square, for example, have their own fee structures, often in a similar range. For many small to medium-sized transactions, Venmo's fees can be competitive. The benefit lies in its widespread adoption and ease of use for many clients. What about instant transfers? If you need access to your funds immediately, Venmo offers instant transfers to your linked bank account or debit card for an additional fee, typically 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum fee of $25. Standard bank transfers, which usually take 1 to 3 business days, are free. Weigh your need for immediate liquidity against the cost of instant transfers. Invoicing and receiving payments, best practices for freelancers. Once your business profile is set up, the next step is getting paid. Venmo offers a couple of ways to do this. The most straightforward method is by requesting money. When you're using a business profile, this feature is optimized for professional transactions. You can send a payment request to your client by searching for their Venmo username or phone number. In the request, you can specify the amount, add a detailed description of the services provided, and even include a due date. Be clear and concise in your description. This helps both you and your client track the payment and can be useful for record keeping. Another increasingly popular method is through QR codes. Venmo allows you to generate a unique QR code for your business profile. You can display this QR code on your website, in your email signature, or even on physical marketing materials. Clients can simply scan the code with their Venmo app, enter the amount, and send the payment. This can be particularly useful for in-person services or for clients who prefer a quick, tap-and-pay solution. When sending payment requests, always include a clear and professional message. For example, payment for content writing services, Project Alpha, June 1st to 15th, or invoice hashtag 2025-001, Web Design Consulting Phase 1. This professionalism reinforces your legitimacy and makes tracking easier for both parties. Communicating with clients about Venmo payments. The key to successful Venmo integration for freelancers is proactive communication with your clients. Don't assume everyone is familiar with using Venmo for business. Before you even send a request, discuss payment methods with your client. Ask if Venmo is a preferred option for them. If they're hesitant or unfamiliar, explain the benefits. It's fast, convenient, and widely used. You can also educate them on how to send payments to a business profile. Many clients might not realize they need to select paying for goods and services or similar when sending money to ensure it's treated as a business transaction, which helps with your fee structure and their own records. Clearly state your Venmo username in your contracts or agreements. You might even include a direct link to your Venmo profile in your invoices or email signature to make it easier for clients to find you. Tracking and record keeping, essential for tax time. This is where many freelancers fall short, regardless of the payment platform. But with Venmo, it's particularly important to maintain diligent records. While Venmo provides a transaction history, it's not a comprehensive accounting solution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.